left a cheeseburger in here.
Ew.
Oh, gross.
Wow.
Oh, close that. That does not smell good. It touched me. It touched me. Alrighty, let's figure out what's wrong with the K-truck here. Coming out right. Oh, that sounds terrible. This hose is where the K-truck is bleeding oil. It got melted a little bit when I was trying to reheat the engine during a real cold snap. That looks like a pretty simple fix. I'm just not sure if I can get that part here in the US. I'm gonna send a video to my mechanic in town and see what he says. Hey, cool, I'll talk to you later. They think it's gonna be a real easy fix, and they offered to actually bring the part up to me and fix it while I'm away. So that is gonna be hugely convenient. Yeah, that's a little sticky. Okay. Yeah, we got electricity. The Yamaha Rhino's got a dead battery. I've got to charge that up. And I've got to go ahead and charge one of the batteries on the four-wheelers. We'll get that set up. All right, let's check the battery here. 12.5 volts. That should be enough. Why is that not turning on?